Yeah, though.
Tyson's meeting an engineer over at Matt. I was going to see if you can go over there as well.
I'll do that. Yeah, I'm gonna go shower and then I'll run by there. Cool.
Sounds good. Thanks.
All right, laters. Hi, I'm Josh Isbell. For the past decade, I've been flipping houses.
Wow.
Oh, wow. It really does look good. Buckle up as you get to witness some of our greatest successes.
This
is perfect. Unfortunate mishaps.
Holy jeez, dude.
We're gonna have to redo this entire house.
And a few terrible jokes.
You know why I don't like trees? They're a little shady. I'm sorry, I've been out here for a while.
To produce some of the most breathtaking flips in the Central Texas area. This is my team, and we are Flippin Texas.
What's up, Chuck? Chuck, what the?
What's up, buddy?
What are you doing?
Making a call. Listen. I had to talk to the engineer. If we were to get him here today, I had to get started now, or it would have been 3 weeks.
If he got up there and there's no actual...
It's a risk, yes. Calm down. We go big.
It's supposed to be an easy flip, dude. Let me show you what I want to do with the bathroom.
All right, show me what we're gonna do with the bathroom.
So, this is my problem. I gotta be in here just for you to brush your teeth. There's no reason for 2 sinks in here.
It is a tight spot. And look at these doors. This door situation, it's out of control. It's 1, 2, it's like pinball.
Why don't we rip out the bathtub, put a walk-in shower, that way it creates a little bit more space in here. Get rid of this and make 1 sink, just 1 nice vanity and sink.
I like it. So you can do something over here with this funky corner, maybe a barn door.
Not inside,
Pocket
maybe
door?
on the outside, but I know we don't have budget for the backyard because you just ruined it.
Calm down. Okay, it's gonna work out. Trust in me. Okay, so Puddin' is a little bit stressed. I made a call. It was the right call.
We started off at a house that we got this for 97 grand. It was supposed to be an easy flip of taking care of some cabinets, replacing doors. Now we get to replace the flooring. Now we're probably gonna knock out a wall. We were just gonna put a little archway here. What we were trying to sell for 160 grand, we're now gonna have to try to sell for about 190. Yeah, good luck with the engineer. Good night.
It's all good, buddy. Oh.
All right, morning, day 4. Crew's actually already kicking butt. We are way ahead of schedule, and then just a little bit of icing on the cake. Engineer called, we are clear on everything, so makes me super happy. I don't have to waste $10,000, but we're taking out that section. I'm about to tell Tyson, he's in there working with some of the guys, and hopefully he hasn't messed anything up. So yeah, that's what we're doing. Hey, Chucky.
Hey, what's up, brother?
So we just got rid of that closet?
Yeah. Backed it off. Set a little linen closet right here.
Dude, I got the drawings. This is what I'm thinking as far as the design, but obviously we get to change that again.
Well, show me what you got. We'll work with it.
Take a look at it. All right, so this is what I'm thinking. For the bathroom, I'm planning on removing the side closet and installing custom shelving. With the additional space, we'll be able to extend the vanity and place another mirror on the wall for his and her sinks. Lastly, I'm wanting to replace the tub with an actual walk-in shower to give the whole bathroom more of a sleek and modern feel. As for the kitchen, we already know that we're gonna knock out the wall. So I'm gonna take advantage of that space by moving the fridge to the opposite wall, and then I'm gonna put in a huge island with a built-in stove, all new cabinets, and even sitting space for the family. So it's gonna join the kitchen and the living room together. Okay, so the reason I want these out here, like this is my favorite day. This is what I'm thinking. Stoves here, both there. We're gonna do a half wall there and then a wall behind it. We're gonna get all these installed. Flooring's going in like 2 days. Let's get this bad boy finished up. All right, so we ran into a little bit of bad luck. Chuck ended up with that booty flu. Because I'm so far behind, I gotta call on a friend, Sierra. She's gonna help me out as much as she can, see if I can catch up and get this thing done on time. Oh, Sierra. Thank you.
I am here.
Oh my God, give me
How
a hug.
are you?
Oh, it's so good to see you.
Hey guys, it's Sierra. Josh gave me a call a few days ago to come help him on this property. He's got a lot to do. Front yard, backyard, interior of the house, staging, the works, and he's on a tight schedule. My family's been doing this for quite a few years, so I'm just here to help him out and get everything put together so he can stay on task.
All right, so let me come inside. Let's see what you think, and then we'll kind of roll from there.
Yeah,
we'll
let's
make a
get to
list.
it.
All right.
So I just finished my initial walkthrough with Josh, and I'm really excited about this house. He's made a lot of changes to the structure, and I have a few ideas of my own I'm excited to throw in there as well.
All right, so the house is finally done. Now it's up to Sierra to stage this bad boy, and if she does what I think she can do, me and Chuck are gonna be walking into the nicest house on the block. All right, brother, later. What's up? Guess who that was?
Was that old Tyson?
That was Tyson, still sick.
Oh, I'm sorry to hear that.
Okay, I've been here for about 10 minutes waiting to go in, so I'm super excited.
Let's go check it out.
Is it ready?
Yes, it is.
All right, let's do it. It's a moment of truth.
Here we are.
Wow. This is like a perfect kitchen. I love it, honestly.
I was worried about the space and storage, but then I saw these awesome features that you put in.
Right.
Like this spice rack. Hello, who's not gonna whip up a great meal with that?
I know you weren't here for it, but there was that whole wall here.
Right.
Now, somebody can be in the kitchen, kids either eating at the counter or over at the table, working on homework. I mean, it allows, in my mind, I was going with a house that no matter what area you're in, you're still together as a family.
It's a great family space. The lighting really opens it up and everybody can be doing their own thing while still enjoying one another.
I am curious, we did a lot to the master. You wanna take a look?
Let's go look.
Oh wow, no lights on, perfect amount of natural light, but I'm dying to see what's in that bathroom.
Before we go, I've got to ask, what made you choose the barn door?
So when we started in here, it was basically just door after door hitting each other.
Sure,
It
sure.
just didn't work.
So, moving into the bathroom, I had the guys do a few final last minute touches I want to show you real quick.
Okay.
Check this out first.
Oh, you put it in a hamper. How much did that cost me?
Oh, you'll see it on the final bill. And then here, obviously these lights, how cool are these?
Oh, so you put in lights here and up. That's nice. So now you can do your makeup.
What we put in place for that are some organizational tools.
Oh my Lord. So you're telling me we got plugs, we've got counter space now. I love this shower though.
Isn't
Keeping
it
it
beautiful?
black and everything.
Super modern, super fresh, and it is definitely eye-catching.
I have a surprise for you outside.
Ooh, I love surprises. Let's go take a
let's
look.
finish this house off.
Ah, I love it.
Right?
Every yard should have one of these.
Summer nights just got way better. All I can imagine out here is kids running around, adults having their cervezas.
It's a nice touch, and what it reminds me of is the same concept from in the kitchen where you have everybody in all their little places, but you're all connected.
Right.
This brings you to the corner of the yard, and you can see in all the space, and so everyone's connected.
Now, we just have to figure out what we're gonna list this bad boy for and then get it sold.
Hey, good job.
Nice.
Love
Appreciate you. Way to pick it up. So we ended up purchasing the house for $92,000. After dropping a total of 51 grand into this project, we have an all-in cost of $143,000. We listed it for $225,000. So if we end up closing after commissions and fees of roughly $15,000, we stand to make a profit of over $67,000. This is Flippin Texas, and we'll see you next time.
Reset. Reset.